Hello, good evening, friends. We are here back again from Oasis. So, today we have some mixed bag collection. We will show you mostly in cotton and some in linen. So, starting off with the first one, this is a pure cotton sari. As you can see, this is half and half. It has a red border, and throughout the body, half is in checks and the other half is in stripes. So the base color is black and the stripes and the checks are in red. So this will be the pallu of the sari, and this will be the body of the sari. Okay, so this will be the body and the one that I had shown you, because throughout you'll have the same look in the sari. Okay, half and half, checks and borders. We do not have a blouse piece in the sari. This is the first one. Next we are showing you in Rani pink. Okay, the borders are in blue, and again we have this half and half concept. Half is in checks and the other half is in like the other half has stripes. Okay, and the base color is pink and the stripes are in blue. So this would be the pallu of the sari, and the body of the sari goes this way. Throughout the body, this would be the pallu of the sari, and the body of the sari will show you once again. This would be the body of the sari. You can see the blue border on both the sides, and the base color is pink and in checks and stripes. Okay, this is also in pure cotton. The next one is a handloom sari. These are all very easy to drip ones. The base color is in ash. There's a very sleek border in black, and sequence work has been done. See, throughout there's sequence work. I don't know whether you are able to see that or not. The sequence work has been done throughout the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. You see, this is the pallu of the sari, and the body of the sari goes this way. There's no blouse piece in this sari. Okay, sequence work has been done mainly near the pallu and on half portion of the body. This is a handloom piece. Next is a batik linen. See, linen is the material of the sari, while batik work has been done. This is hand batik. See, the color of the sari is yellow, dark yellow, you can see, chrome yellow, and batik work has been done throughout the sari. See, this will be the pallu of the sari. Next, we'll show you the body. So, this is the body of the sari. This one is the body of the sari. Okay, and the blouse piece. And here goes the blouse piece of the sari. You have bought batik work, and also you can see the golden border is there on both sides of the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece. Once again, we'll show you the body. This one will be the body of the sari. This would be the pallu of the sari. Okay, This is mainly in yellow, dark yellow. Next one is again a linen sari in sea green color, very soft. See, the pallu of the sari goes this way. It has temple border on both the sides. This will be the pallu of the sari. This is the body of the sari. The body of the sari throughout you can see booties have been done. Okay, and the blouse piece of the sari will show you. This would be the blouse piece of the sari is plain and it has dark green border on both the sides. This would be the blouse piece of the sari. Once again we'll show you the whole body. The pallu of the sari. This will be the pallu. Okay, with booties all over temple border. So this is the next one. The next one is again a handloom sari in orange, and the stripes and the border is in blue. A very bright piece. See, throughout you have this stripe. This will be the pallu of the sari. The whole body of the sari goes this way. This will be the whole body of the sari, where you have long like stripes throughout, and the blouse piece of the sari. The blouse piece of the sari is plain. You can see this. This would be plain, and it has blue borders on both the sides. Once again we'll show you. This is the whole body of the sari. This one is the pallu, and you have tassels also at the end of the pallu. Okay. So the last sari for today's live. This is in pure cotton. See, you can see this. One side they have a narrower. This one is the narrower one, and the skirt border which is there is quite broader one. The base color is blue, teal blue, and the border has been done in yellow. Okay, all hand woven. So this will be the pallu of the sari. The whole body of the sari goes this way. And the blouse piece of the sari will show you. The blouse piece of the sari will have the same borders on both the sides. This would be the blouse piece of the sari. So once again we'll show you the pallu. The pallu of the sari is this. It has stripes, you can see. This would be the body of the sari, and the blouse piece we had already shown you. Okay, so this is all for today's live, friends. See you again tomorrow around 5:30 p.m. So have a good evening. Thank you. Please like, share and comment. And if you want to contact us at 88478 02388. Okay, bye.